Yo, what's up? Let's get into a quick end of day, right? We came in and we took a loss on USD CAD. Um, Average loss, right? Not horrible. I think the pros of the trade way more than the cons, right? Uh, Excuse me. Order flow shift trade, right? Sweep of Asian liquidity, right? And then coming more into this kind of like 15-minute zone down here, and then nice immediate push high. Chalk is the entry, right? Enough R to the internal high as well, and it was within like a decent 4-hour POI, right? But then, yeah, it just doesn't work out, right? It just pushed up a little bit, and then the market sells off, right? A huge move down. So I think on any other day, maybe this works, but I guess today was just not that day. But anyway, I have since recorded all of this, right? So we'll just move on to whatever structure there is left. Not left, but like we'll just see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, I think this could only like be 3 minutes in terms of SD has been pushing down, and then deeper into this daily, maybe we'll see a slight pullback tomorrow, maybe not, but yeah, we'll see how it develops and then take it from there. GPUSD again came in this morning. Obviously, I wasn't super confident looking for sells since yesterday's debacle, right? At the same time, I wasn't really looking for buys, right? Again, not sure where I would have been looking for buys coming into today, right? Also, wouldn't be buying like right up against the swing high, like it's lower probability, even though it does end up working out. But I think over the long run, that just wouldn't be sustainable. And then same for Euro USD, right? Just pretty much a straight push up and then break of structure, no pullback, no opportunity to follow the swing as well, right? It was like just a straight move up. So anyway, pullbacks are better for trading, right? Because they are more corrective like this. So swings not really the best. Those just like straight pushes, and then you taking risks like this during London low against the swing high, even though it's a weak swing high, but then still against the swing high. And I don't know how many times that idea works out. So yeah, I'm okay with like watching the move basically happen, but it's really nothing according to my plan. But yeah, we do take another loss in there, but yeah, it is what it is. I think on the emotion side, of course, I felt that I didn't want to take this loser, right? In USD CAD, kind of felt like because on that like other account, it feels like I'm close to progress, right? Then now the emotions start like playing in my head, and then I feel like, oh man, this can't be a loser, this can't be a loser, and then I'm attached to the trade, and then it doesn't work out, right? So definitely need to come back and work on that not being attached. But I saw somewhere that the best way to not be attached to the outcome is to build the confidence, right? Build the confidence in the strategy, where you do know that over the long run the strategy works. So yes, you can take 10 losses in a row, but you still need to be able to focus and know that okay, in the long run this does work. I do have that sense of confidence, like, but also I am noticing in my actions, like right as it's playing out, there is that bit of emotion. But one thing I will say is it was not a bad trade. I think RNG, of course, but it was not a bad trade. Yes, it's a loser. I didn't try and chase a winner after that, right? Calm, cool, collected, but there is that little bit of emotion, so definitely something to work on. But otherwise, I think it's not really a day of great price action, so we'll see tomorrow what happens. Peace.